The stock is exploding. The price is going nuts. It seems like pure chaos. What is going on? A very human question and a fair question, but a very dangerous question if you don't have the right tools in play. What do I mean by that? Well, what you don't want is for some sort of explosive movement to be happening and then you miss out on everything because, well, you're busy digging through the internet looking for the news. What happened? Why? What's going on? Oh, okay, I finally found it, and and the opportunity has passed you by. That's a very real threat. And I remember when I was getting started, I know. Well, why? What's going on? What's? And then by the time I'd figure it out and get back to it, yeah, it was already all past. Which brings up the question, okay, well, how do you find news fast? And that's where tools need to come into play. And I'm going to give you a recommendation of a tool I would say to use and show you how it works. But also, to be fair, just make sure that whatever platform you're using offers this sort of capability, because again, when things are exploding, and this doesn't necessarily have to be for stocks, it can be for any asset class, a crypto or Forex or whatever. But when something is exploding and you want to know why, that's fine, but you can't take too much time figuring out why, which is the reasoning you need a tool that just can give you this information in a very small amount of time. So the tool that I would recommend, I'm going to show you how it all works, is Webull. Now, to set up a little context here, you can see that this stock, which happened to be Tesla, nice, slow, nice, steady move in the upwards direction, right? Just very, very nice. And then in the matter of 5 minutes, look at that. Now, this one exploded to the downside, but point being, everything went crazy. I mean, you saw it nice and steady, kaboom, down it went. That is pure chaos. But why? What exactly is going on? What is causing this to all take place? And with Webull, it's very, very easy to figure that out. Now, I realize it might be a little small on your screen, but if you were to get Webull, up here, there's a small little, it looks like a notepad, but while this is all going on, so while this chaos is going on and, all sorts of, panic and just the carnage is going on, all you'd have to do is click on that, boom. And right here, you can see that says news. And then you can quickly glance at the headline and figure out very, very quickly what exactly is going on and how fast is that. So again, at one point, this was just dropping, pure chaos. What is going on? Scroll over here on the chart itself, click that. You have the news. You can figure it out just like that. And that is the name of the game. That is what you need to be able to do. Once more, do you have to use Webull? I'm not going to say that, but as you just saw there, the way Webull is set up, it allows you to get that information, find that news in the click of a mouse, and you can figure out the why very, very quickly. So make sure your broker has that sort of capability. Make sure your platform can offer that to you, because if it can't, then as day traders, that is a problem that can cost you a whole lot in the form of an opportunity cost, where you're flat out missing something, or maybe you're too late, so you get a terrible entry point. There's just no reason for it in this day and age of technology, in this day and age of brokers that offer you, just such very valid options such as this. And then when you factor in that Webull is actually completely free. In fact, not only are they free, they will pay you money or give you free stocks when you join their platform, depending on whatever the promotion is at that point in time. So if you are interested in just using Webull for this as your platform, then I'll put a link down below. It is an affiliate link, so if you sign up, yes, you'll get the free stocks and the money, whatever that is, but I'll also get something too. So just keep that in mind. But that's, again, not the reason why I'm recommending it. I'm recommending it for the reasons I just demonstrated to you. It was that fast to figure out, wow, craziness, click on the button, okay, there's the news. That's what is actually happening with it. So hopefully this helps. But yes, make sure your broker, make sure your platform offers you a tool where it's just gotta be minimal clicks to figure out, to find that news fast. Because when things are exploding, when things are going crazy, you don't have a whole lot of time. You don't want to get left in the dust. You don't want to find yourself missing things or just getting a terrible entry point. So hopefully this helps. Again, click the link down below if you want Webull. And let me know if you have any questions on it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.